Google just dropped something crazy. You can now add any web page, any PDF, any YouTube video to NotebookLM with one tap. No more copying links, no more switching apps. This changes everything and it's totally free. Listen, I need to show you something that just happened. Google released this update that's going to save you hours every single week, and nobody's talking about it yet. So here's what's happening. You're scrolling through a website on your phone, you find something good, an article, a video, a PDF, whatever. Now instead of copying the link, opening NotebookLM, pasting it in, waiting for it to load, you just tap share. That's it. One tap, the whole thing goes straight into NotebookLM. This is wild because most people waste so much time trying to save stuff. You screenshot things, you bookmark pages you never look at again, you email yourself links that disappear into the void. All that friction is gone now. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how this works, how to use it, what you can do with it, and the stuff nobody else is telling you about the limitations. Because there are some, but first let me show you why this matters so much. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. It's Google's AI notebook tool. You upload sources, could be websites, PDFs, YouTube videos, Google Docs, whatever. Then you can chat with those sources, ask questions, get summaries. It even makes audio overviews where two AI voices talk about your content like it's a podcast. Pretty sick. But here's the problem it had. Adding sources was annoying. You had to find the link, copy it, open NotebookLM, click add source, paste, click upload, wait. It worked, but it was clunky, especially on mobile, right? And that friction meant people just didn't use it as much as they could. Now Google fixed that. With this new update, you can share directly from any app on your phone. You're in Safari, you find an article, tap the share button, select NotebookLM, done. The article is now in your notebook. Same thing works with YouTube, same with PDFs, any app that has a share button, which is basically every app. This is the kind of update that sounds small, but changes how you actually use the tool. Because now you can capture stuff the moment you see it. No switching apps, no breaking your flow. You stay in whatever you're doing. Tap, share, move on. And this fits into some other stuff Google added recently. They launched a feature called Discover Sources. That's where NotebookLM suggests sources for you based on your topic, so you don't have to go find everything yourself. They also made PDF support way better. Now it can understand images and charts inside PDFs, not just text. And they added public sharing. You can give someone a link to your notebook and they can see everything in it. They can't edit it, but they can chat with it, ask questions, listen to the audio overview you made. That's pretty powerful. So this share from anywhere update is the missing piece. It makes capturing sources as easy as sending a text message, and that changes the game. Let me break down exactly how to use this. You need the NotebookLM mobile app. It's on iOS and Android, free. Once you have it installed, here's what you do. Open any app on your phone. Let's say you're on a website in Chrome or Safari. You're reading an article about AI or marketing or whatever you care about. You want to save it. Tap the share icon. That's usually at the bottom of your screen or in the menu. A list of apps pops up. Look for NotebookLM, tap it. Now you get two options. Add to existing notebook or create new notebook. If you already have a notebook about this topic, pick that one. If not, make a new one, give it a name, tap create, and boom. That web page is now a source in your notebook. Takes maybe 5 seconds total. Same thing works with YouTube. You're watching a video, maybe it's a tutorial or an interview or a lecture. You want to save it, tap share. Pick NotebookLM, choose your notebook, done. Now you can ask NotebookLM questions about what was said in that video. Even if it's a 3-hour video, you don't have to watch the whole thing again. PDFs too. Someone sends you a PDF, could be a report, a research paper, an ebook, open it, tap share, NotebookLM. Now you can chat with that PDF. Ask it to summarize sections, pull out key points, whatever you need. And here's where it gets interesting. Once you have sources in NotebookLM, you can do a lot with them. You can ask questions and it answers based only on your sources, not the whole internet, just what you uploaded. So if you're doing research, this is massive. You can combine multiple articles and PDFs and videos into one notebook, then ask questions that pull from all of them. It's like having a research assistant that actually read everything. You can also generate stuff. NotebookLM can make study guides, FAQs, briefing documents, table of contents, mind maps, all based on your sources. And that audio overview feature I mentioned, two AI voices have a conversation about your content. It sounds surprisingly natural. I've used it for research papers, and it's wild how good it is at explaining complex stuff in simple terms. Now, here's something most people don't know about yet. You can make your notebooks public. There's a share button in NotebookLM. Click it, choose anyone with the link. Now you have a URL you can send to people. They can open it, see all your sources, chat with them, listen to the audio overview. They just can't edit anything or add sources. But for sharing research or collaborating, this is huge. Okay, so that's the good stuff. Now let me tell you about the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I teach people how to actually scale their business with AI, not just cool tricks, real systems that get you more customers and save you hundreds of hours with automation. If you're serious about using AI to grow, this is the place. Link in the description. All right, back to NotebookLM. Let me give you the real talk about limitations, because there are some things you need to know. First, the mobile app doesn't have every feature the web version has. Google even says in their help docs that the mobile app may have limitations. So if something doesn't work on your phone, try it on desktop. Second, that public sharing feature is rolling out slowly. Not everyone has it yet. Some people on Reddit are saying they don't see the option to share with anyone with the link. So if you don't have it, just wait. It's coming. Third, when you share a source, it makes a copy. It's not live. So if someone updates the original web page or PDF, your copy in NotebookLM doesn't change. You'd have to add it again. The exception is Google Drive files. Those can sync, but everything else is static. Fourth, there are limits. You can have about 50 sources per notebook. Each source has size limits too. So you can't just dump an entire library in there. You have to be a bit selective. Fifth, YouTube videos, they have to be public and they need transcripts or captions. If a video doesn't have that, NotebookLM can't import it, so some videos just won't work. And sixth, this is all free, at least right now. You don't need to pay for anything. NotebookLM has a paid plan coming eventually, but this share feature is part of the free version. So take advantage while you can. So here's the bottom line. This update makes NotebookLM actually usable on mobile. Before it was clunky, now it's smooth, and that matters because most of us live on our phones. We find stuff on our phones. We read on our phones. Now we can capture and process that stuff on our phones too. And it's free. You're not paying Google anything. You're not buying a subscription. You just download the app and start using it. That's rare these days. Most AI tools want your credit card before you even try them. NotebookLM doesn't. So if you're doing any kind of research, any kind of learning, any kind of content work, you need to try this. It's one of those tools that seems simple but completely changes your workflow once you start using it. All right, before I wrap up, I want to tell you about the AI Money Lab. This is a free community I run. Inside, you get 50 plus free AI tools, 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents, get access to over 1,000 free workflows. We have a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads for free with AI. It's completely free, no catch, just real strategies and tools. Link is in the description. Join us. So that's the NotebookLM update. Share from anywhere. One tap free. Try it out. Let me know in the comments if it works for you, what phone you have, what you're using it for. I read every comment.